3. Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit right now. We're going to jump into technicals for Bitcoin, and I'm going to look at Nvidia because that's also been pumping a lot since we bought it. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. Bitcoin sitting at 118. It was just at 120, and then it pulled back the last few hours. You can see where I was buying it on the 23rd of the 6th at 100K or even lower, about 100K. Now we're at 118K. Funding fee is positive. It's bouncing back. My Bitcoin, Ton, and Ethereum trades all mega in the profits. My Bitcoin trade 3.5 Bitcoin. It's a entry 101,900. Right now it's 118,000 mark price. Liquidation price was 95K. Value was 357,744. Profit is 56,613, and it's a $2,100 in fees, with the funding fee being what they are right now on Bitcoin, which is 0.01. So it's up around 17%, which is beautiful. We're going to jump into the technicals. Going to the technicals, BNB was pumping. Bitcoin down a little bit. Tesla, in Ethereum down a little bit, Nvidia up in pre-market, World down a lot, and Uni down a lot just now when Bitcoin pulled back. We're jumping into technicals for Bitcoin. On the 4-hourly, you can see I did the weekly and the daily before, but you can still see my targets of the bull flag, 137, 146, and you can see this descending triangle on Bitcoin, and it came down. This descending triangle builds pressure and then breaks out, and it broke out, and it's retesting right now. Broke out, retesting. If we get a bounce here with volume, which it does look like we are getting, then the target would be around the base of the triangle, so it'll be 125K. But we need to see a strong bounce right now and a continuation with volume. Stochastic RSI coming down quickly to reset on that drop. On the daily, stochastic are heading down, they're curving. We are still in this bull flag. You can see on the bullish pennant kind of formation. So still looking quite bullish, so I'm still long. Where I would take a trade, if not active, is from that support, 116,000, stop loss 115,000. Take profit, I would take it all the way to 146,000, October being the high. Let's go into Nvidia now. Nvidia's up 1% in pre-market, was down 2% yesterday. We were buying Nvidia on the 7th of April. If you followed my post, we were buying Nvidia, and it's up since then around... Nvidia is up since then 92%. 92%. Not seeing any major pattern here. Let's go into the daily. In the daily, it's kind of inverse head and shoulders, but that already played out. And now we're at a new all-time high. So it's trying to find... I had a target of 223, must have been from this inverse head and shoulders. We had a little bit of a target of 233. We go into the 4-hour. There is a bit of a pullback, but it's just trending up. You can see this trend line. Let's see if we can... You can see it's just trending, climbing this trend line. No major pattern right now, it just keeps pulling onto this trend line. Big support now is on this previous all-time high. So here we have strong support. I would say this is very strong support now, 144. Target 230 from that short head and the inverse head and shoulders on Nvidia. Let's quickly just look on the weekly. What's oversold? What could pump? So Nvidia already moving up. Uniswap coming off the bottom very strongly. The low was $4.70. Volume increasing. Resistance comes at $12, and then $19 on Uni. So Uni is heading up strongly, but it's already overbought. World is turning up, not overbought yet. Just getting started on this. On the RSI and the stochastic, Uni is just starting to head up. Already had a bit of a pump. We went from 70 cents to now $1.20, so it's already up quite a bit, around 50%. Big resistance was at 120, where it touched and pulled back a little bit. No, 135 was big resistance, which is interesting. BNB. New all-time high on BNB. It broke the all-time high of December 2024, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Those are my active trades. Ton, Bitcoin. Ton, how much? I paid $586 in fees. It's been open a few days. High fees for Ton to keep that trade, but it is a big trade. All the links are down below under the video. Bybit 60k bonus. Join the free Telegram. Take the courses to learn all these. Weex $200 bonus on sign up. And you can see some comments from students that have been following me for a while, which is beautiful. And over in Telegram, there's 840 of you online. Activated my Ethereum order 3628. People discussing, sharing charts, sharing trades. You can join them in the Telegram right now. The link is down below. Great amount of people in there and moderators, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market on Bitcoin and on Nvidia. Let's see how they play out. I've got my active trades also on Weex. Bitcoin activated, Ethereum did not yet. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know down below. This is a quick update on Bitcoin and Nvidia. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.